All right, guys. So we know the crypto market did dump yesterday. Okay, so we saw Bitcoin dumping, we saw a lot of altcoins dumping as well. And today it's looking much worse. Okay, Bitcoin is dropping even more. A lot of alts are dropping even more. Today the crypto market is dropping way more than where it was yesterday. So it's getting a bit more worse, but I am here to tell you guys, okay, this is not the time to be panicking. I know right now it is very harsh times, but if you guys have been in crypto, right, for I want to say over a year now at least, then you will be used to these volatilities and understand, okay, with this correction that is happening right now for Bitcoin and crypto, with this dump that's happening right now, this is nothing. I've been in crypto for almost 4 years now, coming up to 4 years, and this is completely nothing. I've seen way worse. If you guys were around back in 2022, man, 2022, man, much more crazier dumps, guys, than what we are in fact seeing right now. And as I told you guys, right, if you survived the year 2022, like if you literally survived throughout that year in 2022, right, for Bitcoin and crypto, because I truly do believe 2022 was one of the worst times for Bitcoin and crypto. Like during that year, we saw Bitcoin dumping like crazy. We saw a lot of alts dumping at least over 80%, some even over 90%, right? Which is insane. It was very harsh time. So if you, survive that year, you can literally survive anything. So what we are facing right now, okay, for the crypto market is nothing, okay, truly, right? But if you guys have been around in crypto for I don't know, a couple months or a couple weeks, okay, then yes, I guess this is harsh times, but don't you guys worry, okay, this is nothing to be worried about or to be panicking about, okay? So in today's video, I want to talk about it, okay, give you guys an update on Bitcoin and crypto, give you guys some charts just to show you guys that we should not be panicking right now. Remember, okay, it's February, one of the most bullish times for Bitcoin and crypto. I still do believe, as I told you guys, right, I still do believe that this month in February, we're going to see Bitcoin pumping to a new high, even alt season, right? Alt season is going to start, guys, okay, in the next upcoming few weeks. I really do believe that's going to happen. So be ready for that, okay? So let's talk about it, guys. So Bitcoin right now, $95.5 thousand dollars, so it's dropping right now. You guys can clearly see that as I'm actually filming this video, we are in fact seeing Bitcoin dumping even more. So yesterday we actually saw Bitcoin. Okay, I actually went live and I talked about this, right? So if you guys did join my live stream last night, okay, we did in fact see Bitcoin dropping, and it went all the way down to like $99,000. But today, you guys can clearly see it now. It's at $95,000. Okay, $95.4 thousand. So yeah, Bitcoin right now is dropping even more today. Okay, today is truly a great time right now to buy Bitcoin and crypto, right? It really is. And obviously, we know the main reason why the crypto market is dumping. So Trump slaps tariffs on Mexico and Canada and China, right? So President Donald Trump is imposing 25% tariffs on imports from Mexico and Canada, as well as a 10% duty on China. Energy resources from Canada will have a lower 10% tariff, okay? So this is pretty much the main reason, guys, why we are in fact seeing the crypto market having a dump, and not just crypto, even the stock market, right? Even a lot of currencies right now are obviously dumping, okay? And it's crazy, right? A lot of things, okay, will be more expensive because of this, okay? So inflation is going crazy right now, so that is that, guys. But understand, everything's going to bounce back up, okay? Bitcoin's going to bounce back up, Ethereum's going to bounce back up, okay? Ethereum right now is now below $3,000, which is crazy to see, right? It's back at $2,800. This is truly a great time right now to buy some Ethereum, in my opinion. I think it really is a great time right now to buy some Ethereum and a lot of alts, right? A lot of alts are great times to buy some alts as well, right? Look at Casper, right? Casper is now at 10 cents. Okay, and I will make a separate video talking about Casper because this is insane. It's been a while since we have seen Casper at 10 cents. So I will go ahead and make a separate video talking about Casper. So stay tuned for that, guys. While you're watching this video, that video should be uploaded in the next few hours. But yeah, the crypto market, man, is taking a beating. Much worse today. The global crypto market cap sitting at 3.2 trillion. It's been a while. I'm not going to lie. It's been a very long time since we have seen the global crypto market cap sitting at 3.2 trillion. And overall, the market today is down over 6%, 6.6%, almost 7%, guys, coming up to 7%, which is insane. Ethereum is taking a big beating. Look at XRP, holy, 20%. That is insane. Look at Dogecoin, 20%, man. This is insane, guys. Okay, past 24 hours, a lot of alts are down at least over 10%, almost 20%. Look at that, guys. Okay, look at Bitcoin, though. Okay, it's only down almost 6%. Okay, compared to all these other altcoins, man, alts are taking a even bigger dump, guys, than Bitcoin. This is what I always tell you guys, you should have some Bitcoin in your portfolio, because sometimes, okay, majority of the time, Bitcoin does hold up much more better than altcoins, okay, during harsh times like today. So if you guys just look through here, yeah, we are in fact seeing, a lot of alts down quite a bit. I mean, a lot of alts are down over 10%. Yeah, majority of them are down over 10%. So this is a big beating. No one obviously expected this to happen, okay, at all. But I really do believe alt season is going to start, guys. Okay, so this is truly the time right now to accumulate, guys. Okay, it really is. I'm telling us right now, this is truly the best time right now to accumulate your favorite altcoins and Bitcoin. Don't forget about Bitcoin, right? So please, guys, do not panic. This is not the time to be panicking. This is the time to be buying and holding, right? To accumulate more. If you can't buy more, just simply hold. This is not the time to get out, guys, or to sell, or to be panicking, or to be worried. Okay, it really isn't. Remember, we are still in a bull market. Okay, we're still going to see Bitcoin pump to new highs, throughout this year in 2025. And of course, altcoins will pump as well, because alt season is going to start, guys. Okay, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping. And once that happens, yes, we're going to see, okay, a lot of alts skyrocketing, so be ready for that. So there is really nothing to be worried about, okay? But yeah, a lot of alts, yeah, just clearly see throughout the market today, okay, throughout the crypto market are down at least over 10%. So it's been a while since we have seen this. And yeah, I truly do believe today is a great day to buy more, okay? It really is. And you guys clearly see, okay, yesterday we saw this down 2.7%, now it's at 5.6%, so it's dropped even more. Okay, so the Bitcoin monthly returns is dropping quite a bit, coming up to 6%. But like I said, guys, okay, we are only 3 days into this month of February. I still believe this month, February for 2025, is going to be a fantastic month. I'm telling you guys right now, everything will recover up to the upside, okay? Understand that, guys, okay? So understand we're in a bull market and it's February, so understand we're going to see everything will cover back up to the upside, okay? Usually February, we do see some very bullish moves. I mean, only back in 2014 of February, in 2020 of February, we only saw those in the reds. The rest were all in the greens. You guys can clearly see that. So usually February is a very bullish month for Bitcoin and crypto. So understand, okay, I still believe, okay, even though we're in the reds right now and it's only down, over 5% and coming up to 6%, I still believe we're going to see it, converted back into the greens. Okay, so it's going to switch into the greens in the next maybe a few days or a few weeks, right? It's going to happen. But I still believe this month, February, we're going to see massive moves happening for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, but yeah, over $188 billion was wiped out from the crypto market in the past 24 hours, guys. Okay, almost $200 billion, which is insane to think about, guys. So days like this, I get it, and maybe harsh times, but like I said, if you've been in the crypto space for, over a year at least, or even a couple of years, then this is nothing, okay? To be honest, this is truly nothing. We have seen way worse, okay? Truly have. So, if you're new to crypto, okay, I just want to let you guys know, do not panic, do not be worried. This is part of crypto, okay? So welcome to the crypto space, right? We're going to get days like this where we see massive drops. Okay, this is completely normal, okay? And this is nothing new. I've seen this many times. And I'm not worried, guys. Okay, I am not worried at all. I'm just taking today to, accumulate more and just hold, because I know, throughout this year in 2025, we're going to see massive moves up to the upside. Everything's going to rip up to the upside, okay? I truly do believe in that. And, obviously it just makes sense because we're in a bull market, right? Remember that, guys. We're not in a bear market. The bull market's not over or anything like that. Understand that, right? That's how they get you. So understand everything's going to bounce back up, okay? Don't you worry. So also read this, guys, right? Trump's Trump's trade tariffs will send Bitcoin prices higher in the long term due to weakening of the US dollar in global currency markets and lower yields, okay, on US government securities, says Jeff Park, Bitwise, head of Alpha Strategies. Okay, so understand, yes, I do, agree that we will see, the Bitcoin price going much, much higher long term, okay, due to the weakening of the US dollar. I mean, other currencies out there, are in fact having a collapse as well, which is understandable, okay? And what is a way to, solve this, right, to prevent from this, is to own Bitcoin, is to have Bitcoin. So buy Bitcoin, guys. It's that simple, right? And also I want to read this out to you guys. So it says here, okay, people are finally realizing that making money in crypto isn't as easy as it seemed. This isn't magic money. And no, this cycle isn't harder than the previous ones. You think you've seen max volatility. Trust me, you haven't. Okay, and I 100% do agree with him. Crypto is the ultimate emotional roller coaster. That said, the bull market isn't over. In a few days or weeks, you'll forget this period just like every other time. And that's very, very true, right? This is only going to happen, what we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin and crypto. This is only going to happen for short term during this time period, okay? But understand in the next few days, like truly in the next few days, few weeks, okay? Just like what he says here, right? We're going to see everything bounce back up, okay? We're going to see everything bounce back up. So I 100% do agree of what Titan of Crypto has said here. Okay, so this is nothing new, right? So that is that. Now understand, guys, Bitcoin triangle continuation pattern. Bitcoin appears to be retesting the upper boundary of the triangle it broke out from 2 weeks ago. A successful retest could confirm further upside momentum. So you guys can clearly see we saw a breakout and then a retest, so it's coming back down. But understand, okay, this uptrend, will it continue? Okay, will we see a continuation? I actually do believe we will, right? I really do believe, next few days, maybe tomorrow, okay, we will see Bitcoin bouncing back up. It's going to happen, okay? We're going to see Bitcoin pump back to 100K and beyond. It's going to go back up to its previous highs of 109. And, of course, reaching a new all-time high. That's going to happen. So Bitcoin holders, don't you guys worry, just buy and hold, right? It's that simple. You don't want to sell your Bitcoins, okay? It is that simple. So understand, we still have a lot of room to grow this Bitcoin bull market. Okay, you guys clearly see that. We are nowhere near the top. I've been telling you guys this many, many times. Bitcoin is still nowhere near the top. Okay, the top is not in yet. Okay, we still have, pretty much this entire year of 2025 to see Bitcoin really rally up to the upside. Okay, we're going to see some parabolic moves happening for Bitcoin. So understand, Bitcoin holders, there is nothing to be worried about. Bitcoin's going to go much, much higher, okay, especially with a Bitcoin strategic reserve happening. And of course, a lot of adoption is happening right now for Bitcoin. A lot of different countries are getting into Bitcoin. A lot of institutions are buying Bitcoin as well. So it's understandable why we will see Bitcoin going much, much higher during this bull market, right? So get ready, guys. Okay, 2025 is going to be a fantastic year. And I get it right now. It's harsh, right? We're not seeing a great start. We're seeing a very, very slow start. But don't you guys worry. Everything will bounce back up, like I said, okay? Now, look at Marcus Saylor, right? Look at what Marcus Saylor says here. Never sell your Bitcoin. And that's true, okay? We know, guys, we should be buying and holding Bitcoin long term. Like, personally, guys, okay, call me crazy, right? Call me crazy. But for me, right, I'm not going to be selling any of my Bitcoin this bull run. Call me crazy. Call me crazy in the comments down below, guys, because I understand where Bitcoin is heading long term. So understand, guys, I'm just simply accumulating a whole bunch of Bitcoin. I am saving in Bitcoin, and I'm just simply hodling, holding on for dear life. Okay, I'm holding my Bitcoins for decades. Right, majority of them. Okay, I will obviously borrow against my Bitcoin, so I will obviously start using my Bitcoins to buy things. Okay, my plan is to obviously go to like a low tax country, maybe in the UAE, in Dubai, and use my Bitcoins to buy things there like watches, cars, real estate, things like that. Okay, so that's my plan with Bitcoin. I'm not gonna like sell my Bitcoins for fiat. Okay, I'm just gonna borrow against it, right? So I'm gonna use my Bitcoins to buy things with, right, in the future. And so that's my plan. I don't know about you guys, but that is just personally me. So I'm not going to sell any of my Bitcoins this bull run. In fact, I'm buying more, right? I'm just buying more and I'm holding. It's that simple. Okay, that's how I'm going to build wealth, guys. Okay, generational wealth. So that is that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, Bitcoin is really dumping right now. Man, it's back at 95K, right? Like Bitcoin just dropped like $500 ever since I started this video. So that is insane. But don't you guys worry, Bitcoin will bounce back up, okay? But just take this moment right now to accumulate, okay, to buy. And if you can't buy, just simply hold. This is not the time to be selling or anything like that. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. Thank you guys for the support recently. It's been absolutely amazing. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.